The Opera collection marks the first time a high watchmaking triple-axis tourbillon has been paired with a two-comb, two-cylinder music box, combining two traditional Swiss métiers in one watch. The Opera Godfather is the first time Paramount Pictures has partnered with a luxury watch manufacturer, licensing the iconic theme music from The Godfather. The high-speed sequential triple-axis tourbillon turns in one axis in 8 seconds, the second axis in 24 seconds, and the third axis in 30 seconds. The famous Godfather logo, black lacquered piano, and hand-painted Godfather figurine are on full display under the domed anti-reflective sapphire crystal. The Opera Godfather by Jacob & Company combines Swiss music box and high watchmaking expertise in a unique and beautiful timepiece.